Hi, today we're going to look at how to import DALITE questions into your Moodle course. The process is divided into two steps. The first one is to create a pre-configured tool, and you only need to do that once. The second step involves importing these questions. So let's look at how to create a pre-configured tool. For the purpose of this video, we will be importing to a Moodle course called Comic Book Chemistry. Make sure you're navigating the course you want to import questions to. In other words, your course. The first step before using DALITE question is creating a pre-configured tool, which gives Moodle the information it needs to access the DALITE server. So start by turning your editing on. Then under your topic, you add an activity or resource. You will choose an external tool, which you will add. Then under Preconfigured Tool, select the plus sign. Now, to configure your pre-configured tool, you must enter a name. Any name will do. Then all the other information are found under myDALITE, under your account. You scroll down, choose Assignment. For more information on how to manage your assignment, please look at our other video on that topic. Then let's say I want to add a pre-configured tool. I need to click on the I information here, and all the other information that I need are located here. So, tool URL, I copy it, I paste it here, consumer key, EDX, and shared secret is located here. So I copy it, and you got to be really careful to make sure you don't copy a space in front, or else it won't work. So you paste it here, and that's it. Save the changes. You go back to your Moodle, it will tell you that you've added a pre-configured tool. Click Cancel on the activity creation page. We're now moving on to step 2, importing DALITE question to your Moodle course. So you got to add an activity or resource, click on external tool, and add. Those are the exact same step as before. Your activity name will be whatever you want. For example, question 1. Here, now I can choose from my drop-down menu my DALITE tool that I just created. I click on Show More, I scroll down, and in Custom Parameters, I need to add more information. I go back to my DALITE, same place as I was before. Since I want to add question number 1, I need to copy and paste these 3 lines. Copy, paste, doesn't matter if there's a space in this case. Then scroll down, save and display. I click, and here you go. You have your DALITE question embedded inside your Moodle window. You could go back to your course. If you want to add a second question, it's even faster, because you can just go click on Edit and duplicate this question. Duplicate this question, the question appears again. You edit settings, you change the title, question 2. I want to show more. Again, I scroll down for custom parameters. I go into my DALITE. I copy these lines of text. Go back to my DALITE. Erase the previous ones. Paste the new ones. Save and display. Here we go. I have my question number 2. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't be shy to leave your comments and questions below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Cheers.